Okay, this is a demo of the Netlify Build Search Index plugin, and the plugin basically goes through your HTML files, converts them to searchable text, stores them as a JSON blob, and then it also optionally generates a Netlify function where you can actually pass in a search parameter, and it filters out and just returns the search. So you can either request the full JSON dump for whatever, or you can use the search functionality to only request matches of the search. So let's actually see how this should work. I have here an example project, and the example project just has a bunch of things. It has some source files. Here's just random HTML files. I've copied out some extra HTML so we can search that. And and so when we go to the Netlify YAML, the only thing I have to configure here is the plugin for Netlify Plugin Search Index, and that's going to run accordingly. So the vision in here is that I'm going to run npm run build, and that's how the build process runs. All right, and when I run the build, you can see that I have this build folder, and it's got some build artifacts that are new, that are basically a mapping of content to where the path of the content is. I have this as just a straight JSON blob that you can query or fetch or whatever, and I also have this as a function which can be zipped up. We also provide the code to search this JSON blob, and you can run it. So here I'm going to basically take the function. So it's actually going to be zipped up, right? And I'm going to simulate deploying this by taking the zip. I'm going to paste it inside the local functions directory, so I can run it with dev with ntl dev. Netlify doesn't speak YAML yet, so I'm actually using Netlify Toml for this. But it's basically running that search index function. So let's see what that looks like over here. I have my main site. I have page 2 and page 3. All of this has information about stuff on Netlify build and Netlify dev. That's also, let's try to search the term live share. So let's go here. Let's go to .netlify function search index. So if you have no search term specified, it's just going to give you this nice generic error. And if you have a search term specified, like what were we going to search? I'm going to search live share. I did some investigating, and it looks like live share doesn't work because of the spacing. I need to make sure I parse that, I think. But if I type in Netlify, it does what you would expect, and we can obviously improve the responses there. If I type in build, hopefully it gives me something a little bit more makes sense. Yep, Netlify build. And if I type in Netlify dev, it gives me Netlify dev. Great, wonderful. So that's the idea, that a single plugin that you configure over here can give you both a JSON blob as well as a function, and so that enables Netlify build plugins to not only give you abilities at build time, but also at runtime. Cheers.